Hi guys, so today I'm going to do the live swatch video for the polishes that came in July's Meebox. First up is Model's Own, and it is Silver Chrome. As expected with the chrome polish, you do get the brush strokes showing in it. It is however pretty opaque on one coat, but I think I will try a second just to try and smooth everything out a bit. Polish 2 is by Floss Gloss and it's called Con Limon. Now, as it's a kind of neon colour, I think it would be best to use a white base to make it pop, but I am curious to see what the application is like. It's actually got some pretty decent coverage on just one coat. We'll see how it looks with a second. Third polish is by Colour Club and it is called Right On. As you can see, it's a sort of neon purple shade and it has got some underlying shimmer. You can just see the blue coming through hopefully on the camera. That had amazing coverage on one coat and is fully opaque.